Fully active, fully activated. You gotta stop eating now. In fact, don't stop eating. Christmas is done, but we're not stop cook. You understand? Fully active people. If you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button and get the video moving. You don't know anything there. Today, cooking oxtail, man. Do you know what? I actually cooked oxtail for Christmas dinner as well, but I didn't show you because I was doing bare other things. But yeah, today, another legendary recipe, one of the staples in Jamaican cuisine, oxtail. It's not an easy thing and it's not a quick thing. You have to cook it with love and time. It's going to take a little while. So people, let's go. Today, oxtail. That is it, people. So you're going to need some oxtail. I would recommend you getting it cut up already because it's going to be a mad thing trying to chop it. Oxtail. It's not actually an ox's towel. So I'm gonna show you what it actually is, but yeah. Anyway, seasonings. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need some brown onion, scallion, thyme. I'm gonna get that from the garden in a minute. Scotch bonnet. For your dry seasonings. I mean, everybody's is different. This is my style. You see me? All purpose, authentic. Authentic meat seasoning from Jamaica, like the actual meat seasoning is called. A little bit of paprika for color and flavor. You're gonna need some ketchup and some garlic, a couple garlic cloves. Get that from now, and that is it. We're gonna season this up first and then leave it for at least 2 hours or overnight. Also some browning as well, people, and you can put a little bit of oil and that will just make it stick to the meat a little bit better. Seasoned up in there. Good vibes, people. The main thing is leaving it for that 2 hours and that overnight to get all their marination in there properly, you understand, and make it seculine, and you know what I'm saying. So yeah, first of all, what you're gonna do is just gonna fry it off for like 5-10 minutes. Seal the flavors in, is it? Yeah. That is it, people. 5-10 minutes, a little seal up the meat, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna cover it with water. Just cover it. I'll show you, and the important thing is to use boiling water. If you're making meat, if you want to get meat to get succulent, you do not want to be putting cold water in at any point. It's always got to be boiling hot water. You understand? All right. Oxtail cook. People, it's been a wicked Christmas. Yeah, man, we're just chilling this Christmas, you know what I'm saying? And I hope you enjoyed all the episodes over the Christmas period. I am changing up this year, I promise ya. And I need you to let me know something, right? Remember, I don't know if you've been here for a little while, then you'll know. Remember the big up section? I want you to let me know in the comment section if you want me to bring back the big up section this year. Or if you want me to bring any other ideas, any other like certain little, maybe like, you know, little sections that we could put into the episodes. Let me know what you'd like to see and let me know what I've gone in the comments. That is it. All right, you see how much water's in there? Like sort of just like covered it. Just. Yeah. And you want to just leave this for a good hour, an hour and a half. I'd say an hour and a half. And just keep checking it until you start feeling the meat tenderizing. Yeah, that is it. And I'm gonna put my thyme in now as well. I'd say put it on a medium heat for now because you don't want to put it too high because the meat's not gonna get soft enough, and you don't want to do it too low. So I'd say like medium heat for now. Yeah, zeet. So oxtail, let you know a little secret, is not actually the tail of an ox. If you find one of them anywhere, let me know, but it doesn't actually exist. Not like that anyway, not that people eat. So it's actually the tail of it's beef, pretty much. It's a cow. You know what I'm saying? So that's what the oxtail is. People thinking, oh, where's the ox? There's no ox. Big up yourself. Fully active. This has been on for over an hour and 15 something minutes. It's nowhere near ready. It's at least another hour like this. So I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Come on, I'll add no more water. Remember, say people, these things are about love. You have to cook it with love, which means, you know, like checking it every, you know, consistently. But if you can see that it's starting to get a little bit. And then, and I mean, this is like, what? It's been over, I think it's been like 2 hours, something like that. But you can't rush it, man. Yeah, that's why when you taste the oxtail, it tastes bad. You can't rush it, innit? Look, can you see there? I don't know if you can, obviously I can feel it, but I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah, that is it. But we're gonna leave it for at least another half an hour, 40 minutes, I think, like this. Whilst I'm still waiting, what we're gonna be adding next is obviously pepper, sweet pepper, another onion, some garlic cloves, and a couple more scallion. And we might have to add some more, little bit more seasoning as well. If we add more water, probably a little bit more seasoning, because we did add water. So yeah, I'm just gonna chop this up and then just have this ready. It's not quite ready to go in yet, but I'm just showing you what the next step ingredients are. Does it mean? That is it. We're about 3 hours in, people. And as you can see, we're starting to get tenderized now. Still more time, but what we can do is we can add the rest of the seasonings now. A little bit more water. Add the rest of the seasonings. A little bit more of the dry seasoning as well. And bring it all back to life for the last sort of 45 minutes, an hour, probably an hour. And then I'm gonna go in with some more of the seasonings that we originally, not loads, just like a touch up. There's only a little bit left in that packet in here. I bought this one back from Yard. It's finished now. But you can get this one over here. This is a really good one to use, people. If you ever see Easy Spice, use that one there. And again, just some more of the meat seasoning. Whatever seasoning I use, the more. I'm just gonna put a little piece more in, and then yeah, see what I go on then. Look, a bit more ketchup. You don't know the Grace one. I bought this back from Yard as well. Yeah. That is it, people. Good vibes. Everything there and there now. Now we just gotta let all that blend together and just let it tenderize even more. We're nearly there. Good vibes, that is it. These times, people, you can get your rice on. More time, oxtail is served with white rice. Not rice and peas, white rice. Yeah, so make sure you wash your rice and soak it, yeah? My rice is cooking. Mash up 2 fried dumplings, said way, you understand? Yeah, man. To be honest with you, I just thought you all wanted to see my face at this point. You know what I'm saying? Hello, hi. I'm only joking. People, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And hit the like button. Please do so and get the video moving. Everything I cook, the oxtail, it's pretty much done. It's been about 4 hours. been long. The rice is cooking. I've got to fry my dumplings yet. The last thing that we're going to put in, people, is butter beans. But these are going to go in like 10 minutes before the end of the cooking. You know what I'm saying? I hope everyone's all right, man. Again, hope everyone enjoyed their Christmas. You don't know, 2026 is just around the corner. I don't know when this episode's going out. It might even be 2026 now. No, it won't be. I can't. I've got to put this out before. Just talk to themselves on camera. It's all right. Don't worry about it. ADHD's kicking in. That is it. Fully active people. You know how you think though. After it feels like 10 hours, it's done, people. Yeah, as you can see, look, I'll show you when it's on the plate. But yeah, look at that. A good vibes. Fully active. Mad Tina. It's not an easy job. It's not an easy cook. But I tell ya. But yeah, 4.5 hours later, it's ready. See it there? Mad thing. Fried dumplings, white rice. You know it, Tigo. People. Now this is how you know, yeah? Look, you see the oxtail there? Please don't ever play games with me in your life. All right? Just don't. All right, I'm done. The episode's done. See you later. Goodbye. Fully active people. A bit of bone there. But if you can't eat your oxtail like that, you ain't done it right. Big up yourself. A good vibes. I cannot wait. Do you know what? I might have to just swallow my pride and go outside, people, because I'm sick of cooking indoors. We need to be outside cooking. We're going to go outside, I think, next time. Don't worry. Even if it's cold. Fully active. Big up yourself, people. I'll see you next time.